Ah, fuck! What are you doing in my house? Oh, you want to make a paper plane? Well, that's great. I have all the ingredients for one. What's a paper plane? It's a cocktail. First things first, you're going to need 4 ingredients. You got lemon juice, you got Campari, you got whiskey, bourbon or rye, and you got your Amaro. If you want to be an OG boy, you're going to want Amaro Nonino. But if you don't want to spend $40 for a bottle of liquor, you can get Montenegro. It's only $30. Still kind of expensive. So, it's going to be an incredibly easy cocktail. It's going to be the 4 ingredients, all equal parts, which is why I like busting it out. There's no fucking stopper on this. That's why I like busting it out whenever I want to show somebody a cocktail that is a little bit different, a little bit more complex, a little bit more... I won't even say that's just necessarily booze forward. It just has like a lot of elements going at once. And it's just kind of fun to show something new. And I haven't had too many people who don't like it. It's got a little bitter. It's got a little kind of like herbaliness to it, but it's not too aggressive. So it's a nice starter cocktail for people who want to get into more unique cocktails. Next up, you're going to get your Aperol. You're also going to want to do an ounce. And I'm going to try really hard not to spill everywhere. And I didn't. We're going to go next for our spirit, our main spirit. It's always going to be a whiskey. You can do it with rum. I've had it before. It's pretty good. You can do it with gin. Pretty good. You can do it with vodka if you're a weirdo, or you can do it the right way with whiskey. People typically will do this with either like a high proof like bourbon or a rye because there's a little bit more spice kind of carrying the drink all the way through. However, I'm a bourbon guy. I typically enjoy my bourbons, and I'm making this for a video, and I don't like this bourbon very much, so that's why I'm going to use this one. Pour an ounce in. Chuck that bad boy in there. And since it's an equal parts cocktail, you really don't have to do an ounce. If you want like a little bit less of a cocktail, you can do 3/4 of an ounce. But I'm an alcoholic, so we're doing a whole ounce. Lastly, you're gonna grab your Montenegro. Whoa, I don't have very much. This better be a good drink. Oh, hell yeah. Now that that's done, you're gonna give this bad boy a shake. Ah, I don't have a glass. Follow me. A glass. And this thing. And this thing. While I shake this, Kayla, why don't you tell the history of a paper plane? Truer words never said. So, if you want to make this drink look a little bit better, get another strainer. It makes it look a little bit more elegant, not having those ice chips all over. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh! Tap, tap, tap. Now, you're going to want to grab a garnish. Like a dried lemon. There you go. Doesn't that look good? Don't you want to drink it? You can. Just gotta make it. I believe in you. I'm gonna drink it. Yum. It tastes like a paper plane. More, you ask? More flavor notes? It's got like whiskey in it. It's got like Aperol. It's got like Montenegro. Like lemon. Get over here, try it. It's embarrassing. You're gonna be on TV forever. Can you say into my mic? I think she liked it.